One of the most effective ways I think that I'm currently seeing to generate appointments for any niche is via WhatsApp. So one of the things that you guys can experiment with is getting a list of mobile phone numbers of decision makers, for example, from Zoom Info or from otherwise, and sending them WhatsApp DMs. So I've got this little system running that you might have seen in the company updates group, but it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And what you can do is try and message people, send literally 50 messages a day. It took me um 1 minute per message. So probably less if I got it down because it's literally my first ever time doing it. But if I just go into my archive, I should be able to see them here. Okay, great. So this is the, and I'll find the sheet first of all. I beg your pardon. So cool. So this is the sheet that I use that I'm working from. It's in a rudimentary format. Yellow indicates anyone that I've sent a WhatsApp message to. I grab their number. So what I do is I do this. So you'll get your list of mobile phone numbers, right? This can apply, of course, to campaigns as well. Um, if you're Android, you can set up like multiple WhatsApps on multiple numbers. If your iPhone, I think it's you can't basically, for as far as I can see. But anyway, in any event, for Pearl Lemon internally, you can do this as an experiment. Johnny, you can do this as well, and see you can start contacting, for example, lawyers. So what I do is and I'll do it in front of you literally right now. And what I'll do is I'll set a clock against it so you can see how long this process takes me. So we'll set the clock for 20 minutes and let's just see what we can achieve. So I go to Monica, I go here. Go there, go there. So I begin with saying, hello, hey, is this Monica by any chance? So send that. So that's Monica. I know that they're all DMs or close to it. So, I mean, she's looking for a job. So that's going to be obviously irrelevant. I need a better list, no doubt. But you'll see how quick this process is. So now I've got Michael. So now I go to jump cut. Hey, is this my AEL, Michael by any chance? I don't send anything other than that because I'm looking to basically permission-based marketing. So I'm not going to say hey and jump into a pitch immediately. Look, Monica's already replying. So we'll go back to Monica in a little bit, but you get massive reply rates using this methodology. I think I'll probably put the number in wrong. Let's just have a look, see if it is the right number. Go through and okay, cool. So that person isn't on WhatsApp. So I just fucking delete the person, to be honest with you. I'm like, okay, doesn't matter. Fuck it. Oh, sorry. So go ahead and delete that person. So that's 6868. Cool. I've deleted, yeah, cool. So we go to Monica now. Yeah, cool. Oh no, Monica we've already done. Michael we've done. Peter we need to do. Okay, let's do Peter. Cool. I'll go there. A is this. No, hold on. Sorry, I've made a mistake somewhere. Go back here, Peter, and then that was number ending 1 2 there. Peter, yeah, cool. Here we go. Oh, I already messaged this guy before back in the day, 27th of the 6th. Sounds interesting. Talk to my partner, Colleen. So this is an old lead that I spoke to that I never followed up with. So there you go. So look, this kind of demonstrates that it does work, which is ironic. So I've already contacted that guy and I will say something like, oh, I lost my phone, mate. I'm so sorry, or something to that effect. So John Phillips, what is he? Group product manager. Let's give John Phillips a go. So we'll message John Phillips. Yeah, cool. Do that. Hey, is this John by any chance? That's cool. So we'll do John. Mhm. Where is the
So quick thing, you can also, if you hit what's the name? Slash, not slash. What's the name? Like Shift 7, basically. You get the quick replies. You can just like have templates on WhatsApp. That things like you
how
can
do I
just
edit it? How do I
type
edit
them up.
it?
You go to the three dots at the top next to chat there, and you go to quick replies, and then you can just create. You add the top. You just add the shortcut. You say like intro to whatever this is, and then just the message down, and then you
Let's have a look.
just
Thank you.
basically yeah, it's great. I use that a lot.
Cold WhatsApp. Okay, let's just see now. Okay, there. Cool. Great. Amazing. So that's now Lawrence, isn't it? So go there. Even better. Hey, is this Lawrence by any chance? Great. So we've done Lawrence. We'll do Colin. So do Lawrence, we do Colin. I'm trying to get through 10 to get a bit of a benchmark for how long this stuff takes. That's why. So we started with Monica. One, two, three, four, five, six. Four more to go. We'll just do that quickly. So boom, boom. Who is that? James. Great. James. Hey, oh, is this James by any chance? Done James. Do D2C email marketing. I don't think that's probably a good lead. Does email marketing. We'll do this guy, this girl, Anna Mieke. Do that. Oh, do that instead. Sorry. There. Search. There. That. Hey, is this Anna Mieke? That. Who is that? Fuck's sake, why does my thing read Andres? Okay, cool. Andres Rivera. It's not on WhatsApp. No, have I done that right? New chat. He's not on WhatsApp. That's fine. Bye. Delete him. Ben Wested. Try Ben. I swear that number just looks too short. Yeah, delete that one.
Sometimes on WhatsApp, if you get rid of the plus, you do get a
Exactly.
different result.
That's what I
Okay.
was going to say.
Oh well, it's gone now. Get
That's
rid of
it.
the
Does
dot. Dean. Oh fucking yeah. Simon. I think Simon's number 10. Let's have a look. Cool. So started at Monica. What do we get up to? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Cool. It took 6.5 minutes, probably 6 minutes if you're good, to message 10 people. So if it's six mess to message 10 people, 60 minutes, let's just allow a break, 70 minutes, and you can message 60 people. Does that seem reasonable on the basis of what you've just seen, guys? Yeah. So 60 people. I think you can then turn that into 5 appointments a day. I think 3 to 5 appointments a day. I'm pretty confident with this right style. I want everyone to do this because there's time as an experiment. We can build numbers. So let's just go and have a look who. So these are the replies that I have had today. So it was a no for her. Hey, it's Alice. Thank you for the info. Sorry, not interested. But I'll play the voice note. But you'll see that my format is the same. Hey, is this gone Nora by any chance? Yes, hello. And then I leave a message. Farzan, is this Farzan? Yes, amazing. Thanks for reaching out. I'm trying to cut down activities. I keep the information for the future. And then there was another dude who asked me for my LinkedIn details. I don't remember what happened with him, to be honest with you. But yeah, that's the format, that's the process. Let me just reply to this woman, Monica, who did say yes. Now, let me just check monitor. So once we get a reply coming in, because I forget about it, but obviously if you say the name Monica and you know who you've messaged for the day, you'll then just quickly jump into her WhatsApp. Sorry, and then I'll just try and send a voice note right now. So let's see if she's still looking for a job or she's not. Communication strategy specialist, 25 years investment, seeking new role. So she's just seeking a new role, to be honest with you, at the moment, but I probably wouldn't obviously have messaged her saying that. So I will not do. She's a sole trader, Bank of America. Yeah, no, there's nothing here really, to be honest with you. So what I'll do instead is I'll show you some of the people that I did message. So if we go now to Farzan, so we'll go back to the sheet and look at Farzan so you can see my decision making around Farzan. So Farzan's up here, owner, director of, let's have a look. Let me just stop sharing my screen and I'll share with the audio. Yes, so you can hear it. Cool. So I'm in here now. So I went onto Farzan's profile. I looked at he's the owner MD of Techno. So this is a real estate list, real estate agencies. They're not actually real estate agencies. A lot of these people, they're just like people in real estate. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Obviously, you can build targeted lists and then just have a go. So he's Technovate Global. So I have a look at obviously what they do right now, and this, and I send a voice note based upon that. So let me just play you the voice note now then. So, amazing. I'll drop a voice note.
Hey Farzan, how you doing? I hope that I pronounced your name correctly, first of all. I got your details from LinkedIn, to be honest with you, and I hope that that's okay. I hope so. We'll find out. And I just noticed that I think you run a company called Technovate Global. I was just checking you guys out. Yeah, no, look, there's a couple of companies that it looks like you run according to Facebook. In any event, you've got a lot going on. Look, I'll cut straight to the chase. Long story short, I found you on LinkedIn, and I run a company called Parliament. We just specialize in building pipelines for companies. When I say pipelines, B2B, B2C kind of inquiries and stuff like that. And I was just checking out some of the stuff that you're doing, and just wondered by any chance if you would be keen on having a chat, if you're currently, just as a company, the various businesses that you run are looking for more B2B or even B2C inquiries, because I know, of course, with To Go To, you do prop investment as well. So yeah, just putting it out there. Feel free to say no if this is annoying, and yeah, apologies in advance if it is.
First one, I'll send you the next one. This is Golnara. So let's go to Golnara and have a look at Golnara now. Golnara, she's the founder, director of Longview Advisors. She's not replied yet. She may never reply, of course. But let's have a look. So she's Spears Top 500 recommend. So this looks like she could be a better lead on the surface of it. She runs Longview. I did this when I was out for a run, I think. I was outside. So anyway, it doesn't matter. So this is what she does. Here's my voice note.
Hey Golnara, how you doing? It's Dee here from Pearl Lemon Leads. I hope you don't mind me dropping a voice note. To be honest with you, I found your contact information on LinkedIn. I see that you run a firm called Longview Advisors, and yeah, no, I was just checking you out on LinkedIn. Really impressed with some of the stuff that you've done, by the way. And look, just being honest, I run a company called Pearl Lemon Leads. I'll drop my LinkedIn just into the chat and my personal website so you can check out who I am. And yeah, look, long story short, we just work with a couple of real estate firms, and we specialize on both the B2B and B2C lead generation side. So just working to get you more inquiries, basically. So yeah, I hope that it isn't too rude that I sent you a voice note. I hope that that's okay. And if it isn't, I apologize in advance. Feel free to say thanks but no, and I'll drop you my LinkedIn just so you can take a look at who I am, as well as just my personal website. Or even better, probably my YouTube. But yeah, hope that makes sense, and that's it.
Cool. I'll show a final one and then we can wrap. So the third one who replied was Alice. Let's have a look at what Alice does. Alice Thompson. Here we go. Obviously it was a no from her as well, which is fine. It'll happen. But she's a Russian speaking. I'm here to help Russian speaking people invest and make money through property in the UK. And she runs a company called. Does she run a company? No, I think she's an individual. Found at Thompson Homes Education, but I sense the company's probably quite small. So let's just have a listen.
Hey Alice, how you doing? It's Dee here from Pearl Lemon Leads. So yeah, being honest, I just saw your contact information on LinkedIn. Actually, I see you did some pretty cool stuff with, I think, Russian-speaking investors in the UK, and that you run a company called Thompson Home Education Group. I think it's with your husband. So yeah, look, to cut to the chase. Long story short, I run a lead generation business, and we specialize in just generating inquiries within the real estate niche. So I don't know if that's relevant to you at all, but if you're looking for any B2B or B2C leads, or just anything that I do could possibly be of interest to you, we do some stuff with the Russian community when it comes to leads. I'd love to just see if we can potentially support you anyway. So yeah, I caught that on Facebook. Very cool, on having done some stuff at Harvard Business School as well, by the way. I just thought I'd drop a line. So yeah, I hope that this is okay. If this is very annoying, then I apologize in advance. So feel free to just say thanks but no. But yeah, just putting it out there. All right, thanks so much.
Cool. All right, great. Does anyone have any questions? Let's just see how long. I mean, I know I paused it, didn't I? So it's fine. Does anyone have any questions about that process?
Pretty self-explanatory.
Cool, great.
So
Everyone.
in terms of, sorry, might as well. In terms of the voice note, then always just be very apologetic. I noticed that you did that. He was always like, "I'm sorry if this is annoying. What do I like to feel?" Okay.
Always. It's a form of permission-based marketing because it's cold outreach. So the structure is to get like a couple of so I always ask for permission. Hey, I clarify, is this X by any chance? Most people say yes. We're like, we know it's them anyway. So they're going to just say, yeah, it is. And then that opens up room to send them a pitch. So then I say, oh, amazing. I'll drop a voice note and then off we go. Cool. Great. Aaron, do you wanna?
Is there a risk of like being flagged for spam, etc., or is it just
With this approach, I think it's yes, but I think it's much less likely because of the way that we're messaging, because we're asking for permission.
voice?
Well, before the voice note, you say, hey, is this X by any chance? And once they say yes, I wouldn't block someone after I've said, yeah, it is me. And then if they send a
Yeah.
voice note saying, oh, I just wanted to reach out. Apologies if this is super annoying. I would not block someone like that. I just say, yeah, mate, like, don't worry, all good. I'm not interested. I wouldn't just block someone. So I don't think I don't think you'll get blocked.
Yeah, I mean, like by WhatsApp itself, not the actual person, for
No.
like high levels of outreach. That's not possible.
No. It would only be no, it wouldn't be.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys?
Yeah, do you smell? Can you hear me?
I can, but unless it's related to this, then we can move on to a different subject in a second. But is it related to this actually, your question?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Can you I've just finished a call, so I've only just managed to jump on.
Okay.
Can you send me the recording, please, so I can
Oh yeah,
listen again?
yeah. I'll send you the
Cool.
recording. I'll send you the recording. That's okay. No problem. That's all good. So any other questions about this, guys, before I Okay, so can you everyone, message 50 people in a day just once and see what happens? Is there anything that will prevent you from doing that tomorrow?
Just having a list. What list? Who are we messaging?
Evan, Aaron, and Riaz know how to build lists, so does Shania. So you can ask Shania to build your list if you
I
want
have a
to.
few. Yeah, I still have a few from cold calling, so I'll send you what I have.
70%, about 70 to 80% of the mobiles you pull off Zoom Info tend to have WhatsApp accounts.
Yeah, I mean, with this, I think your best bet is probably Red Scraper or Out Scraper, only because they scrape from LinkedIn, which it automatically then gives you the LinkedIn profiles for you to be able to do like your quick research when you're voice noting and things like that. So I think that's probably your best bet.
Yeah, it just depends how targeted you want to be there.
But Zoom Info will allow you an export with LinkedIn, won't it? I'm sure it will. It'd be
You can just manually do it. It's only 50.
Yeah, it's just manually. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have a UK number.
That doesn't matter. I don't think it'll be a problem because of the nature of the way that the messaging is coming across.
$2 off Vibe. So
we can get you a UK number. We can get one. It's $2. We'll pay for it. Like add it to your invoice. But it's $2 from Vike, so you can just use Vike.
Okay.
BY. But for tomorrow, use your South African number that you've got for WhatsApp. But you can get a UK number, and it's very cheap. It's through Vike.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you guys have got numbers just for work from Vike anyway, if it gets suspended, you just fucking buy another number. It doesn't really matter, to be honest with you. So it's fine. Cool. Great. So everyone then message 50 people tomorrow. 50 people will take you an hour, as you've just seen. So let's see what result that produces, because I have a suspicion this could work better than LinkedIn for less effort, I think, because the logic just tells me it's going to be better if you can get 50 phone numbers of marketing directors at 10 million pound plus companies. You might turn that into a couple of appointments potentially. Cool. All right, great. That was it for today, guys. Whenever you send your end of days or as you get leads that come in, let me know. But please do this tomorrow because it is easy to do. I've shown you how to do it. That's it. Cool. I've got to go. Talk to you later.